If you edit videos in CapCut, grouping clips is one of those simple features that can save you a ton of time. It helps you keep related clips together, move them as one unit, and stay organized while editing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to group in CapCut, how to use the keyboard shortcut, and how to ungroup everything. When you need to make changes, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and go down to the timeline where your clips are placed. To group clips, you need to select the items you want to combine into one group. The easiest way to do that is by clicking and dragging your mouse over the clips in the timeline so they all become highlighted. If you only want to select specific clips, you can also hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click each clip one by one. This is useful when the clips are spread out or when you only want to group certain parts of your edit. Once the clips are highlighted, right-click on the selected clips. A menu will appear, and from there, choose Group. As soon as you click it, CapCut will bundle those clips together, so now when you move one of them, the entire group moves together. This is especially helpful if you have a set of video clips, audio clips, text layers, or effects that all need to stay aligned. Another faster way to do the same thing is by using the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+G. On Mac, press Command+G. This is the quickest method if you group clips often, because it saves you from going through the right-click menu every time. If you're editing a lot, learning shortcuts like this can make your workflow much faster and smoother. Now, if you ever need to separate the clips again, CapCut makes that easy too. To ungroup, right-click on the grouped items and select Ungroup from the menu. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+G on Windows or Command+Shift+G on Mac. This is useful when you want to adjust one clip inside the group without affecting the others, or if you decide the item should no longer stay linked. One quick tip: grouping is great for keeping projects organized, especially when you're working on longer videos with multiple layers. Instead of accidentally moving everything out of place, you can group related elements and keep your timeline much cleaner. And if you ever make a mistake, just remember that you can always ungroup and edit each item separately again. So to recap, select the clips, right-click and choose Group, or use Ctrl+G on Windows and Command+G on Mac. Then, if needed, ungroup with the right-click menu or the Ungroup shortcut. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to group in CapCut quickly and efficiently. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.